Will you remember my name? I've gone away, but I'll be back again. And if you call me up to tell me that I need you, I'll run through for you. Oh, honey, I love you. Only you. Oh, honey, I love you.
All my days I've been reaching higher, flying through the skies when the world's on fire. Baby, what you want? Tell me your desires. Ooh, you. You're something out this mouth that give me superpowers. Running through my head, you leave me stuck for hours. I'm jumping off the edges just to smell those flowers. You know I couldn't wait another day.
Call me up to tell me that I need you. I'll run through for you. Oh, honey, I love you. Only sa ating duyan, huwag nang mawawala. Umaga na sa ating duyan, magmamahal o mahiwaga.
Hoy Pauti, happy wedding day. Baka naman, pwedeng sa simbahan para maka-aura tayo ng 8 girls, diba? Uuwi pa ng Japan, galing si uuwi pa si Jaira, galing Japan. So, alam ko may atraso ako sa'yo kasi hindi ako makaka-attend ngayong kasal mo. Ini-expect mo ko, wala na nga si Jaira, wala pa ako. Tapos itong si Tanya, wala pang live stream, di ba? Ang damot eh. Pero congratulations sa'yo at kay Kuya Raed. Sana hindi lang si Lala yung maging baby nyo. Kung baga dagdagan nyo pa sana. Ayun, congrats. Sana makauwi na ako agad para kahit after wedding nyo, ma-celebrate natin yung magkakasama. So yun lang. Best wishes and I love stop, Pauti. Congratulations, Pauti and Kuya Raed. Oh, congratulations and best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Dagdagan niyo pa sila Ling. mga isang basketball team. Congratulations! Pauti and Raed!
Shot. Anak pa.
Hi! Congratulations on your wedding!
Congratulations.
Hi again! So, I'm really happy that you guys are getting married today, and hopefully next time I'll be there already sa church wedding. But for now, itagay niyo na lang ako. Congratulations! I love you!
Congratulations and best wishes, Aris and Raed. Sana maging forever kayo. God bless you.
Kuya Raed and Ashley, congratulations on your wedding. Ang tagal niya na pala, 13 years na pala kayo. And as Kuya Raed said dun sa message niya kanina, is sa buong time span na yun, is si Ashley lang yung naging babae niya sa buhay niya. So Ashley, napakaganda mo po. Opo, sinasamba po kita as a single person. I wish you a lifetime of love. I know hindi masaya palagi, but it's okay kasi kaya niya yan. 13 years na kayo and for Lala. So, ayun, stay strong. Pagdasal niyo din ako na sana dumating na. Tsaka, yan. Congrats and see you soon.
Congrats, Ashley and Kuya Raed. Finally, kinasal na din kayo. And congratulations on 13 years of love. And sana maging happy kayo sa marriage life nyo. And mas maging patient pa kayo and understanding. And just stay happy and healthy. I love you guys.
Congrats sa ate, Aris. Congrats sa ate.
Listen, hush now. Close your eyes before the sleep, and you'll